It is being called the biggest child porn bust in Suffolk County history. 6.5 million photos and videos, some depicting children being violently abused. Now, police say a suspect is now under arrest, accused of amassing and collecting and cataloging the collection. Eyewitness News reporter NJ Burkett spoke with neighbors in Amityville, and he has more. NJ.
Well, Dave, the Amityville police cracked this case with help from a member of the community who came forward with information. But yes, prosecutors say that these images, photos and videos depict the worst kinds of child sexual exploitation imaginable. Many of them infants and young children.
Really? Oh my God.
It's just disgusting. Like, I just don't understand. Like, I'll never understand how.
The allegations left neighbors stunned. Prosecutors say 58-year-old David Johnson had the largest cache of child pornography ever recovered on Long Island. 24 computer hard drives with more than 6.5 million photos and videos.
The practice, the crime of possessing child pornography directly fuels the rape of children.
Police say Johnson is a tenant in this home on Ketchum Avenue in Amityville, Long Island, where he quietly and meticulously downloaded revolting images from file-sharing sites on the so-called dark web. The 200-count indictment lists individual file names like 3-year-old cute face and several titled Baby J. The others are far too graphic to list on television. Prosecutors say Johnson cataloged each of them like a librarian.
They're organized by gender, by race, by age, and by other characteristics, whether or not the child victim was wearing glasses.
The DA says Johnson is divorced and lives alone. His apartment around the corner from the local elementary school. But investigators say there is no indication so far that he had any improper contact with children.
This is obviously a sick individual, and that's why we're treating this with the utmost severity.
And so far, investigators say they have uncovered no evidence that he corresponded with children online. Neighbors tell me they barely saw Johnson. They say they didn't really know him at all. He's being held tonight at $75,000 bail. If he's convicted, he could face at least 10 years in state prison.